Okay, y'all, so my insurance company have sent me my breast pump, and I'm super excited. So let me show it to y'all. Hold on, because I have stuff everywhere for once. I finished getting my bag, so the only thing I don't like is, I don't know, it came in pink, unless I just ordered the wrong thing. So, but yeah, it's an electric pump by spectra2plus. So hold on, let's see, I have stuff everywhere. I'm trying to get finished nesting, I guess. And let's see, it came in this is my first time even looking at it. Yeah, this is amazing, y'all. I don't even have to pay anything for it. My insurance paid for it. Hashtag United Healthcare. I gotta get better with this, but yeah, this is the cord that goes to it. And these are the cups. It's a double pump, but yeah. And of course, he's still gonna use these bottles, but not in public. But if I can find another color, I will. But yeah, it is different. These are amazing. So yeah. And of course, like I said, my video, I just hit record on my videos. But I won't know how this works until, hey, the baby gets here. So that's it for now. I will be posting my other videos from this week. I'm waiting on them to load so I can create the video. But yeah, that's it.